Most people get cloud storage wrong by thinking all options are basically the same, but Dagoo stands out with its generous free storage, strong security, and AI-powered backup features. Today, I'm giving you an honest review based on my experience, so you know what to expect. Dagoo offers 100 GB of free storage when you sign up, which is already more than most other free cloud storage services. Their paid plans scale up to 10 TB, making it suitable for heavy users or businesses. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how much storage they actually need, and Dagoo makes it easy to grow without hassle. One of the biggest benefits I noticed is their automatic backup. You can link your phone or computer, and Dagoo will automatically back up photos, videos, and documents in the cloud. It's encrypted end-to-end, meaning your data is protected even if someone hacks the servers. Most people overlook security, but this is a key advantage. The AI features are also impressive. Dagoo can organize your files and photos, detect duplicates, and even suggest space-saving strategies. The mobile and desktop apps are clean, intuitive, and responsive, which makes accessing files from multiple devices seamless. On the downside, file syncing isn't as fast as some competitors, especially for very large video files. Also, customer support can be slow if you encounter an issue, and some advanced features are only available on the paid plans. In conclusion, Dagoo is a strong cloud storage option if you want generous free storage, strong security, and AI-powered organization. Most people find it easy to use, secure, and ideal for both personal and professional use. Subscribe for more honest tech and cloud service reviews so you can make smarter choices for your digital life.